In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a code snippet into a Jira ticket. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you frequently work with development teams and need to share code within your project management environment. So let's dive right in and make this process simple and clear. To get started, first, you need to open the Jira issue where you want to add the code snippet. Navigate to your list of issues and find the specific ticket where you wish to include the snippet. This could be an issue you're actively working on or one that you're discussing with your team. Once you have the issue open, your next step is finding the right place within that ticket to add your code. Typically, this will be in either the comment section or the description field depending on your team's workflow and where you'd like the code to appear. You'll want to look for the code snippet icon in the description text menu next. This icon is generally represented by a symbol that signifies code or a pair of curly braces. Clicking this icon is crucial because it ensures that your pasted text will be recognized as a code snippet, preserving formatting that might otherwise be lost. Once you've clicked on the code snippet icon, it's time to paste your code. Make sure you copy exactly what you intend to include, as formatting can be quite particular with code. Paste your content into the designated area. If you're dealing with a particularly large block of code, it might be worth it to double check that everything has pasted correctly. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button to secure your changes to the description or comment. This step is important because it ensures that your team members or anyone else viewing the ticket will see the newly added code snippet. It also helps to keep your work organized and up to date, facilitating better collaboration. There you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly insert code snippets into your Jira tickets, ensuring clear communication and documentation within your team. Remember, using the code snippet feature not only enhances readability, but also makes it easier for everyone involved to track coding changes or suggestions within the project's context. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!